What's up, fam? Today we're going to be going over how to do a tricep kickback. Let's go ahead and take a look at the tricep kickback. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and look over the posture. We're going to lean our torso at 30 degrees, or we can even lean into a bench that's elevated to get some extra balance. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at these feet. So we want to stagger them to maximize the balance and increase our lean angle. Elbow placement is extremely important when it comes down to the tricep kickback. We want to make sure that that elbow is tucked in nice and tight so that we can maximize the tension on the tricep through the entire exercise. Let's go ahead and focus on the primary target of this exercise, the tricep brachii. Okay, so let's take a look at what we're not gonna do. So as you can see, I'm just using my body weight to carry on the momentum of the dumbbell. Just don't do this. Let's get a couple more good ones just to finish it off. Yes, sir. All right, fam, and that's how we do a tricep kickback. Until next time.